Remember last week, what was it, 2 weeks ago? I bought an all-clad 7.5-inch pan and it was made in China. I was pretty upset. Well, I kept looking and there was an 8-inch pan, 8-inch made in America, All Clad LTD, one of the better handles, for $3 more than what I paid for that China pan. These sell for a lot of money, new. Who pays that kind of money? Show the picture. They've got it priced at $144. Okay, let's find out what we got. Now this one didn't come in a box like the Chinese one did. But this looked new. There looked like there might have been a little scuff mark on the stainless steel. That could be dirt. Let's find out. They don't make it easy. Now, I just wanted to own one all-clad pan. Well, 8-inch should be a good size to make like 2 eggs. Oh. Well, good. It's wrapped, so we can do more unwrapping. Okay. I don't expect it to be perfect, but it did look new. It did look unused. And who would pay $144? It feels very light. It's funny. I think it feels lighter than my hard anodized pure aluminum pan. We should weigh them. Oh, she's pretty. This actually doesn't look quite as thick as the Chinese pan. Am I wrong? I'll have to look at the video. There's a video, Chorizo Hamburger, which I've downloaded, I think Esquire magazine, and they make the pan look very sexy. It feels very light. I don't see the scuff marks on it that I saw in the picture. Let's check my 8-inch. This is my 8-inch pure aluminum hard anodized. It's heavier. It is totally heavier. How could that be possible? It's stainless steel. Let's put it in pounds. 1 pound, 5.4. 1 pound, 6.5 ounces. You can tell a lot by the sound. You know, you can tell a lot by the sound. I want to play. I want to play. How do I eat this? You gotta take a bite, otherwise it didn't happen. Here we go. Chorizo burger. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's good. It's very messy. This is a brioche bun, toasted. Mmm. Mmm. Thanks for watching.